All right, hello. This week you're going to make some graphs for me, and you need an account on GeoGebra to do that. So I'm going to lead you through today's video. Is just going to be making an account and sending me a simple graph, and then the next days we will add on to this. Okay, so here we go. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to www.geogebra.org, geogebra.org, not com or anything else, but org. Hit enter. Then you're going, this works on any computer, it's web-based, so you can do this on your Chromebook, and you just need to have the Google Chrome open. It works on any web browser actually, so you can use it on a regular computer if you have something else like Firefox or Safari or whatever. So then you're going to go to sign in. Now, this is where you're going to create an account. So you're going to click on sign in, and you're going to use your school Google account. So you're going to click on Google, and you're going to use your username as your email, and then you have to put in your password. Now, I've already done this before, so this is it's going to just pop right up for me. Okay, so you're going to click on your, or put in your Google email address, your school Google email address, and then create a password. Make sure you remember that so you can get back in again. All right. And it just automatically put me right in because it remembered my login information. But there was a screen there real quick where you could put in your credentials and log in and all that kind of stuff. It's going to ask you some questions. It's going to say, are you a student or a teacher or whatever? So you click all that stuff and put all that information in. Okay, so once that all is done, now we need to I need to kind of show you what this site looks like. So up here, I put a little picture of myself. It's me with some roses. I'm pretty much, you can hardly tell the difference between the rose and me. I see that right there. It's kind of hard to tell because I kind of look the same, right? Anyway, this, if you click on this, it takes you to your stuff, okay? So there's the bigger picture of me, all right? So then here's where all your stuff is going to end up, all the different things that you've made, all right? And these are things that I've made and saved here, okay? Then we're going to actually make something right now. Let's see, what else can we do here? Let's see, home takes you back to the GeoGebra home where you can find different things. There's all kinds of different stuff here. News feed is where you can get information. Resources, where you can find things. Profile is you, right? That's where all your stuff is. People, we can connect together, and then groups and all that kind of stuff. It's more advanced kinds of things. So I'm going to go back to profile. So probably what you're going to have to do is you're going to have the video of this on one tab, and then on the other tab you can be kind of like pausing and clicking and kind of following along. All right, now I'm going to introduce you to the waffle here. The waffle up here in the corner is where you can do the different tools. And we're going to do graphing calculator. And there's geometry and all kinds of different things here. So we're going to do graphing calculator. Whoops. And graphing calculator. We're going to put in a very simple equation, and we're going to graph it, and that's all we're going to do, and we're going to save that very simple equation. So right here is where you enter stuff, and you kind of enter it in just like a graphing calculator, except for you're doing it on your keyboard. You're going to do y equals, and let's graph a line, really simple. 2x, and then the plus symbol, and then 3. And as you change it, you can see it pop up on the screen. So there's my line. Okay, and that's all you're going to turn into me is this line right here. Okay, I'm still recording, just making sure. And now we're going to go to the 3 lines right here, and you're going to go to save. So we're going to save this line. And please sign in to save stuff, okay? So I'll click on the Google thing, and it automatically remembered my stuff. Okay, so it's untitled. So I'm going to give it a title. And I'm going to give it the title, First Day line. Okay, so it's our first day line together. And I'm going to put my name, so you can put your name too. Mr. Jackie. All right. So then you're going to click on this little drop down thingy here, and there's nothing there. So usually it says something. I don't know why it didn't say something. So first day line, Mr. Jackie. Click on save. All right. So now you're going to go back to your stuff. It says save successfully over here. So we're going to go back to your stuff, which is right here. And first day line should appear in your stuff here, but it's not. I'm going to have to refresh. So I'm going to refresh the screen, and it should pop up. First day line, Mr. Jackie. Right now it says it's private, and I don't want it to be private. I want to be able to share it. So I'm going to go up to share and copy link. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to share this with me, this first day line. And let's see, cancel. And it still says private. I don't know why it says private. It did that. Let me click here again. I guess if I click on publish, it probably won't say private anymore. Now it says public. Shared with link. You don't have to do that. Wow, I just published the most boring line in the whole world. Oh well. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. And I already did share, right? And then I did copy the link, okay, and then cancel. So now I have that link copied. And then you're going to paste it to me. So where are you going to paste this? Well, I've been doing this with the other classes. And if we go to our Google Classroom, so I'm going to use this College Algebra Trig as an example, and yours will look very similar to this. So if you go to the home part of a Google Classroom, there's Stream, and that's where all the stuff is there, right? If you go over to classwork, these are the specific assignments. Okay, and I haven't done that with you guys. So if we look at our Google Classroom here, let's see, algebra. All we have is the stream. Okay, if I go to classwork, the only thing in there is the one question, am I ready for new material? But there's going to be another assignment that pops up here on Monday, the day that you're hearing this video. And that's where you'll click on that and you'll copy that link in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see, what do I want to do? So I was giving you an example of the other class. So clicking here, I'm going to go down to College Algebra, College Trig, and then go to classwork. And then I had them make this spiral thing here. And then these people have I've graded theirs. These people have turned it in, and I need to click on it and make sure they did it right and grade it. And these people are still waiting to turn it in. So here's the ones that will be there. So I click on this. And then I'll look at, this is you can see right here, spiral of Archimedes. And you can see these people right here turn it in. You can kind of, if you look real closely, you can see the little GeoGebra things. All right, so I'll click on Jack Rhodes here. This is what I'm going to do. And this is what he made. And I'll be able to see your line. Now, we're going to do something fancier than a line, but this is just to get us started. Okay, and then I'll go, hey, look at that. That looks awesome. All right, so then I go back to the spiral of Archimedes, and then I'll say Jack Rhodes. I'll click here. I say, good job, Jack. So I'll put in 10, and then I'll hit return. I can even write in a private comment. Good job, Jack. I wrote Jackie. I'm so used to writing that. Jack. Okay. Exclamation point. Boom. All right, so then I can return that to him. And return. So that's returned to him. Okay, so now let's make sure that our ink link actually works. So this is how we do it. So I'm going to get rid of Jack's stuff. I'm going to get rid of, so you're going to, like I said, you're going to copy and paste that link into the assignment first day line. So I'm going to kill this, I'm going to kill this, and open this back up. All right, now, I just need a place to paste that line so I can see whether it works or not. So I could paste it probably right here into the web browser, and then I'm going to hit enter. First day line, and it's not there. Uh-oh, why is it not there? Oh my gosh, I made the most basic mistake. I can't believe I did that. Okay, so I got to fix this. So I need to go back to GeoGebra and fix this. I did something wrong, and I did this wrong the first time I did before. What am I doing? So I can fix this. GeoGebra. Okay, so that logged me right back in, and then I click on myself, and then here's my first day line. Okay, so I need to open this in the app. And there it is. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to hit enter. So it's y equals 2x plus 3. And you get excited. You're like, oh, well, there's the line. I'm done. The line is not there officially when you save it until you hit enter. Now it's really there. See how it changed? So you got to make sure you hit enter after this. Otherwise, it doesn't work. All right. So now I can go to here. I can click on save, and I hit save. Okay. Now let's try it. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to kill this. I'm going to go back to myself. I'm going to refresh the screen. Okay, so here it is. First day line. All right, so it's there now. And back to GeoGebra. Click on myself over here. Okay, now I'm gonna copy the line, or share it. Sorry, the link. Share, copy link, and cancel. Okay, so this link is copied. Okay, I'm going to close this out. I'm going to open a new page and paste it in there, and now I should be able to see the line. There's the line. So don't do what I did. Don't make sure you hit enter after you enter the equation. I guess when I'm making the video, I'm doing two things at once and doing GeoGebra. So anyway. So that's what I want you to do, is copy and paste that into the assignment that'll pop up on Monday under classwork.